On the planet, everything's reversed. It's chaos. And the inhabitants live under the snow to keep warm. They've evolved... They've evolved nails on what we would call their feet. They're quadrupeds, and they've got 8 nails so they don't slip. And the sun, they don't burn us because the sun's reversed. It's cold sun. Cold sun. Chaos. It's chaos. Everything's kind of backwards. So
Elliot, I've come to discuss the Arts Festival and the arrangements for the El Greco.
Did you find the writer? Kilgore Trout?
Yes, we did.
Wonderful. Is he coming here to Midland City?
Yes, Elliot, he is.
Wonderful.
Elliot, do you know where Kilgore Trout stories appear? They appear in porno smut magazines. Tell him how.
Yes, sir. Whips and other trips, hard thing in Black Garter Belt.
You mean, like this? What I know is that Kilgore Trout should win the Nobel Prize for Literature.
Kilgore Trout, 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 Kilgore Trout.
To enhance your life, Panasonic technology brings you the information. What you may not know is that we also bring you the long-lasting high-performance batteries you need. The Plus alkaline battery from Panasonic.
This guy looks forward to only one thing. Simmons back here.
12 people were overcome by toxic fumes this morning and were evacuated from their homes at Sugar Creek Estates.
Julia,
Sure, we're having good times, but
are you really there?
what if?
They're not happy, Dwayne.
Bill's writing up, then there's Scott's new school, but we thought, hey, we can handle this. John's company downsized. So John's trying to find a new job, meanwhile all these bill collectors
That's right.
are paying us.
Nobody's happy. They're just trying to sell you something.
But they're together. A real family.
We're gonna be okay.
They're not a real family. They're not real. They're not real people. Real people worry about being surprised. Celia, they worry about people jumping out at them, shouting their name at inappropriate times. They worry about being carted off to the bug house.
Now they're happy.
Celia, snap out of it. They're not real, okay? Real people don't stand around in the grass like that, all right? Not real. They're just lying to you. They're just hired to lie to you. That's their job on TV. You can't trust these people.
We're going bananas down here for Hawaiian Week.
Hey, ask anybody. You can trust Wayne Hoover.
I trust you, Dwayne. If only you'd tell me which Dwayne to trust.
What is that supposed to mean? Celia? Is that another one of your little secret messages? Are you telling me that you're leaving me, Celia? Is that it? So if you're telling me that, just go ahead and tell me, because I can take it. I can take almost anything these days. I feel pretty much alone most of the time anyway, to tell you the truth.
What I'm trying to say is whether we're together or apart, the moments between us have always existed and will always.
Hamilton, the easy formula for stress relief.
Exist.
Make each day as good as the best day.
Do you see what I'm saying about management, kid? You just need a little guidance.
Jesus, that sounded like a gunshot. Money.